The treasure hunt. One Friday afternoon, their teacher surprised the class with a treasure hunt around the school. The students were divided into small groups and each group received their first clue. Four friends, Ella, Ryan, Chloe, and Ben, worked together as a team. They read the clue carefully, worked and tried to understand its meaning. The first clue led them to the library. There they found another note hidden inside a book. The next clue directed them into the playground. Along the way, they shared ideas and helped each other to solve the riddles. Sometimes they felt confused, but they never gave up. After solving several clues, they reached the school garden. Under a small bench, they found a treasure box. Inside were snacks, stickers, and encouraging notes from their teacher. The friends cheered happily and shared everything equally. They felt proud of their teamwork and effort. The treasure hunt became one of the most exciting adventures at school.